Remote Deposit Now for HTML5 will integrate the functionality of the RDN application into a web-based portal. This module is intended for current users of RDN. Local administrator rights are necessary for a successful installation. Upon completion of this online training module, RDN users will be able to update the scanner interface for Remote Deposit Now, create and submit a batch deposit, review check images, and close out a batch deposit. After logging into SmartPay Business, from the navigation on the left, we'll select the Transactions tab. Under the Quick Links section, let's select the check processing option for Remote Deposit Now. To begin the update process, after the Remote Deposit Now portal loads, from the navigation at the top, we'll select Scan. The Scanner Service Installer window displays the 3-step installation instructions. We'll start by clicking Download. If you're using Google Chrome, you'll see the Chrome download bar. Double-click on the installer to run it. Depending upon your browser, some users will have the option to run and/or save the ProfitStars Scan Service setup file. Other users may not see the option to run and must save and download the file first. In our example, we have both options, so we'll choose Run. The ProfitStars Scan Service setup opens. We'll leave the default installation location as it is and select Next. We'll complete the installation process using the controls at the bottom of each window to progress through each step. After the installation completes, we'll select Finish. Let's scroll the window so we can see the controls at the bottom right. Now let's connect the scanner. Notice that at this time the scanner is not yet initialized. The next step is to create a new batch deposit. At the lower right, we'll click Start. The new batch window opens. We'll need to enter the expected batch total and a description. To submit the batch, we'll click OK. The batch information appears below the scanner information. The scanner status will update. Once the scanner is initialized, checks may be scanned. At the lower right, let's click Start. The status updates and the scanned check images are available for review. We can look at them by selecting the available link. The View Item window opens. The batch information appears above the check images. We have the option to see the front and the back of the check. After viewing the images, we'll close the window. Once we have finished entering checks into this batch, at the bottom right, we'll click Stop. To complete the process, at the bottom right, we'll select Close Batch. This concludes the updating scanners for RDN HTML5 module. After watching the demonstration, it's important to remember, depending upon your browser, some users will have the option to run and/or save the ProfitStars Scan Service setup file. Once the scanner is initialized, checks may be scanned. The check scans can be visually checked before closing the batch deposit. Click Continue for the options to close and exit the module or replay to view it again.